Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty, and welcome to my closet. It is Wardrobe Wednesday, and it is a special Wardrobe Wednesday because it's the 1st of March, and I'm going to switch out my 10-piece wardrobe for the next season of March, April, and May. I did my homework. I looked at the average high temperature, the average low temperature, the precipitation for the next 3 months, and I made my decisions based on that. Of course, when you're looking into the future of the season, if you have any special events coming up, any travel plans, those are things that you would keep in mind when you are curating your 10-piece wardrobe. Now, since it's the new season, I am going to throw away an old mascara and get out a new one. It's just a good practice to change that out on a regular basis. So, I love the 10-piece wardrobe, and I would like to highly encourage you to try it. Try it. Try it. Even if you just did it for a week or 2 weeks or a month, pulling everything out of your closet so that you're only faced with those 10 pieces is really a great way to get your imagination flowing on how you can create new looks with the clothing that you chose. I personally had pulled everything out of my closet and I put it in a spare bedroom closet. So I have the luxury of being able to do that. If you have a spare closet somewhere with some space in it, I highly encourage you to pull everything out except for the 10 pieces. If you cannot do that, can you push everything to one side and just keep your clothing like right in the center and focus on that? Can you try that? Another thing you can try is to box up your clothing, put it in a suitcase, throw it in your husband's closet. The reason I'm encouraging you to pull everything out except for the 10 pieces is there's really quite a huge mental shift that takes place. It is really a relief. It is really just so freeing to only be faced with those 10 items every morning. And it's very much like the last time you traveled with a carry-on and you got to your hotel and you hung up your clothing and there it was. That was your wardrobe for your entire trip. You did not stress about your clothes. You actually did not even think twice about them because you'd already put the thought into it. You'd already chosen items that you loved, that fit you right now, that had accessories, shoes, bags to match, and it just requires no thought to get dressed when you are on vacation. So here's the thing, we have to get dressed every day. We might as well enjoy it. And even for me, going to the 10-piece wardrobe was a huge shift. And I procrastinated on it for several weeks. I had the idea, I was ruminating on the idea, and just making myself choose those pieces was a little bit of work. But once I did, I was shocked at how fantastic this experiment was. Now I'm going to switch out what I had been using for winter and bring in what I chose for spring. With the 10-piece wardrobe, we're talking about 10 core pieces, which gives you the allowance for extras. For instance, this sweater for the winter time is extra. And I will not be wearing this in the spring because it has to be really cold for me to be able to wear this. So this will go to another closet. I have this gray, soft, super sweet cardigan, which is always great, especially for air conditioning. But I'm gonna try to force myself to use this white one for the springtime, just to get out of the gray. Since we are in a new season, I want to make it a little brighter and lighter. So I'm going to use the white one for when I get a little chilled. Now this t-shirt, white, black, and I have a blue. These are really 4-season shirts, and I'm venture to say they're almost like extras. Kind of like, because technically like a tank top would be extra, your workout gear would be extra, your pajamas are extra, and these shirts are such amazing staples that they could be extra. Depends on how far I want to push myself. These two boyfriend shirts I purchased last season, they also are going to stay in here. I think they would be great as a cover-up over a bathing suit. They're great over a tank. So I'm going to leave them here and see how much I wear them into the next season. So here's a blue sweater that I'm going to pull out. This little sweater is coming in. I also grabbed a blue and white stripe sleeveless shirt, and I grabbed another blue and white stripe. And I grabbed these because they are a blend, so it has to be a little, it can't be 90 degrees to wear these because they heat me up a little too much. So I assumed they would be great for spring. That leaves, oh, I'm also going to grab this little sleeveless number. So that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in my shirts. Okay, bear with me, bear with me. I'm going to pull out the jeans and my leggings and replace that with a pair of white jeans and these printed pants. I will pull out my dress, my jumper, another dress, a wool skirt. And I thought I would leave my blue pencil skirt. And I also brought this skirt. Okay, so with the idea in mind that we have extras, I chose 3 dresses. A blue and white polka dot. This is so easy, and it almost is like a pair of pajamas. And I can wear it everywhere. A blue, navy blue shift dress, and a cotton sleeveless dress. So that's 3 dresses, 2 skirts, that's 5, 2 pairs of pants, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm adding 7, 8, 9, 10. So technically those are the new items. This is a new item that I'm bringing in, but this is kind of extra. And all of the rest I'm going to qualify as extras as well, and we'll see how it goes. But basically blue, white, black t-shirts, extra. These boyfriend shirts, extra. And I have a white cardigan and the blue and white stripe. So my new wardrobe has taken shape. It is bright and light, and it looks amazing for the new season. I also last weekend finally purchased my new shoe boxes. I got these from the Container Store. They have a drop down lid and it keeps my shoes dust free and it looks amazing. I'm so thrilled. I'm thrilled. I know Amazon has some options. I have not tried those though. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm thrilled about the next season, and I do encourage you so much to give it a try, even if it's just for a week. And pay attention to how you feel. What kind of mental chatter you have in the morning. If you are ever frustrated about getting dressed, overwhelmed by facing your wardrobe? Or do you just feel light? I know a friend of mine tried it last week and it became, which I totally understand, an addiction. Because here's why it's so good. It makes you hyper focus on what you're wearing, what you're putting on your body, how you're representing yourself to the world. And it makes you say, do I really love this? Does it really fit? Am I comfortable? Is it portraying my personal brand the way I would like it to? Or something else? So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Go to the blog at HeidiGamel.com. There's plenty to read about how to organize your closet, how to try a capsule wardrobe, and the latest discovery, the 10-piece wardrobe. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely evening. Bye.